Let's see next tool, this MATLAB. So we will try to explore. There are you can see there are hundreds of tools available here which cannot be explored. Each one of cannot be explored in one day session, or maybe in it requires a month to cover all these things. But let's try to explore which is useful for almost all the researchers. So I will just show this tool, neural net fitting. So for that I will import data again, different data this time. So let me use this weather data. So I'm just importing two columns, so I will not select this numerical matrix this time. I will select this column vectors and click on this control button and select these two columns. So this is data temperature, average temperature, and data wind. So you can use it on your data. So click on this import selection. Now you will see there are two variables here, data temperature, average temperature, and data wind speed. Now click on app and select neural net fitting. Next, inputs. So let me take a data wind speed as input and data temperature, average temperature as an output. You will have to select appropriate option here by seeing these things summary. So you can see input data speed, which is matrix representing one static data, one sample of 16744 elements. So this is not correct. So select this one. So now it seems correct. 16744 samples of one element. So since the data which I have selected was in the form of column, it takes as a row. So you will have to select appropriate option by seeing the summary. Now click on next. So 70% of data will be used for training, 15% for validation, and 15% for testing. Next, the number of hidden layers in neurons will be 10. uh, Next, now click on train. So training will start. You will see a separate window will appear here. 15 iterations. The time taken was very less. Performance gradient and the values are here. So now you can see these values here. So performance. So MSE, the value of MSE at different epochs. Uh, Training state. So gradient mu and failures, validation failures. Error histogram. Okay, so it seems the error is quite high. Regression values. So the fitting is very poor in this data. You can see the value of R is very low. For training, for validation, for testing, and for overall also it is quite low. The fitting is not so good in this data. Fit, you can see the error. So you can see this line error, it is quite large. So the data, the fitting is not so good. So you can select choose your data to see the fitting. But this is the way you can use this neural net fitting tool. It's not that difficult. I'm not going to the detailing of neural network. I hope you know it, and if you don't know it, you will have to read it separately, because it cannot be part of this MATLAB session. So this was about neural net fitting, which can be used to see this fitting through the neural network for different data sets.